Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some Kawaii notebook cover ideas. This is my first video of my back to school series for this year, and there are 3 more videos to come for back to school. I know I'm starting pretty early. It's still the first week of August, but lots of stores tend to start back to school season in August, like beginning of August, so I'm going to be doing just that. And if you are new, I'm Kawaii Crafty. I make lots of art and craft videos, and consider subscribing. Shameless self-promo. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with this video. So the first idea is drawing a kawaii potato. So here I'm going to paint the base coat of white. You can use gesso, and I'm going to paint the background color, which is pink. And now I'm going to get started on painting the potato. So I got my palette and I started to mix some brown, yellow, and white paint. And I ended up mixing the paint off camera because it took quite a long time. So yeah. Once you're finished getting the right shade of brown that you want, you're going to just paint a random blob in the center. Potatoes don't have a particular shape, so just make sure it looks remotely pretty. And make sure you check your hands before touching the notebook, because I ended up putting some of the paint from the potato onto the background and it kind of looks not the best. Let's just say that. So I went off camera to do a few details at the bottom, and now I'm going to be taking the dark brown that I mixed with a few other paints and started to outline the potato. As you can see here, I have a lot of marks from the potato color. Please do check your hands and fingers before touching your paintings or artworks, because you might mess it up like I did. And here I'm going to be painting on a small face. I ended up going off camera after this video was filmed to add a bit of sparkle in it with a white gel pen, and here I'm just painting on the mouth and decided to put another cheek on the other side because couch potato. Oui. The next notebook idea was drawing a cat, so I'm going to be painting the base color of white. You can use gesso, whatever you want, and now I'm going to be taking a pencil and drawing out the design. I think you can find it on Pinterest. I just searched up Kawaii cat and it popped up on Google, so just do whatever cat design that you want. Once I finished drawing the outline, I decided to paint the things that are in black. In black, obviously. And now I'm going to be taking an angled brush and some red paint, as you can see here. And I'm going to draw the color of the cat. I tried to paint it in a straight line, but it didn't go so well because I have really shaky hands. So oops. And I finished painting the collar, and now I'm going to put the little name tag thing that you would find on most collars of animals, which is kind of gold, so that's why it's a yellow color. And I'm just going to fill that in, and after you're done, you can also put a top coat of Mod Podge, but I kind of ran out of Mod Podge for these, so yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be painting some Polaroid cameras, so I'm going to take the white paint and paint those. I can talk. And now I'm going to be drawing some kawaii animals inside the Polaroid cameras with a white gel pen. It's the GellyRoll one. And after, I went off camera to also add a few details with some gold gel pen that I got from the Spicebox calligraphy and lettering set. Once you're finished, it should look something like this. Here's the gold gel pen that I used. And without further ado, let's get on with the next one. Quick shout out to Kawaii merch store. They have lots of cute kawaii items, and if you are interested in those things, I have a link right here, as well as an affiliate code which will get you 10% off. Kawaii Crafty 886. The K in Kawaii and the C in Crafty are both capitalized. And yeah, so without further ado, let's continue with this video. So my next idea is going to paint this notebook into a mint green color and paint around a panda shape. So here I painted the base coat and then I painted around the panda head, and now I'm going to put some black paint so I can fill in the details that need black paint, such as the ears, the face, and the paws. So enjoy! Once you're finished, it should look something like this. Really cute, kawaii, and let's get on with the next one. The last idea is going to be a kawaii sky background kind of thing. So I'm going to paint an ombre from light pastel blue to pastel purple, and it should look like this. So once it has finished drying, I'm going to start painting some planets. So here I'm going to mix a few pastel paints, and I'm going to just dip into this purple one and start painting. Obviously I did not realize I was not in frame, so you'll see it later, and I'm going to just cut it right here. So I finished painting the planets and a few stars off camera, and now I'm going to go in with some gel pen and put some more stars in. And here I'm just putting some dots on the planet, and now I'm going to just rub the gel pen ink so that it kind of turns a little more transparent than usual. And I'm just going to continue until I'm satisfied with the amount of stars and dots on the planet. Once you're finished, it should look something like this. I ended up putting some more little dots as stars, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any feedback, suggestions, or comments, do so in the comment section down below. And as always, consider subscribing if you are new to my channel and join the Kawaii family. I will hopefully see you guys in my next video, and yeah. So don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye guys!